Do you ever feel like your body is giving you an SOS message to make sure you're doing okay? SOS, SOS, SOS. And fear not, because in today's video, I'm gonna give you 10 signs that your body is telling you that you need more nutrients. And because I'm such a nice guy, I'll give you my recommendation what foods you can eat based on those signs so you can get your health right. Stick around to find out how these foods can be the cure for your body's illnesses. Guys, let's talk about poop. Howdy y'all, Dr. Islam here, aka your poop guru and gut microbiome expert. I'm a board certified gastroenterologist trained at the Mayo Clinic. Come see us at Gastro for all your GI needs and consider subscribing to this channel. And if you're looking for more ways to improve your life, I got the video for you. Check out my previous video on how to live a healthier life. I'll put a link in the description down below. All right, you guys ready for the 10 signs that your body needs nutrients and what you can do? Here we go. Coming at number 10, having low energy. Now, I know all of us are always tired. Listen, I am a 40-plus-year-old man. I have a job. I got a family. I got a YouTube channel. I am busy. You're busy. We're always feeling all the time. However, we know our bodies, and sometimes that feeling of fatigue is more than the normal tiredness. Something's going on. Now, if you're like me and you're running on empty, you could be wondering, I wonder what I can take. Well, let me tell you, it's not caffeine, and certainly it's not cocaine. Don't do that. That is not good for you. It is a food called spirulina. Add this as a supplement for your smoothies to give you the energy that you need. There's evidence that having this superfood can help out when it comes to energy and get you feeling better and maybe making you feel more like yourself. Number 2, a second sign is having brittle nails or brittle hair. Hair is not just about beauty, though it is nice maybe to, have a nice puffy hair. It could be a sign that you're missing certain nutrients in your body. Brittle hair and brittle nails are signs that we look for as doctors to see if there is something going on in terms of deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals. I look at my patient's hair, not because I'm interested in their due, but I want to find out if that could be a subtle sign that they're missing something we need to address. And if that's you, maybe adding some collagen could be the secret that you need. I've been using collagen for a long time. This is why I have such beautiful hair. Oh yes, oh yes. Not really, but I have noticed that when I ingest collagen, this makes my hair better, it makes my skin brighter, and it keeps my nails from falling out. Collagen can be a secret weapon that we use to help out when it comes to brittle hair, brittle nails, and actually can help out with GI issues. So add in 1 or 2 scoops of collagen to your coffee to get you the hair that you need. Number 3, frequent illnesses. Now, wintertime is a common time for us to always get sick. I have the sniffles. You can hear me. My friends get coughs. My patients are coughing all the time. What can you do, or what could that be a sign of what you're missing? Maybe the secret ingredient that you need is elderberry. There is some evidence that elderberry can actually help out when it comes to having infection, treating the infection, and making sure you don't get the infection. I want to stress, this is not a substitute for antibiotics, okay? So don't take elderberry to treat a bacterial infection or pneumonia. You need actual antibiotics. Consider adding this as a supplement to get you feeling better. Have it in a tea, take it in your food, see if it can hopefully help out when it comes to your gut issues. Coming at number 4 are tummy issues. My expertise. Do you have some bloating? Do you have pain? Do you have that rumbling in the tummy? You feeling a little nauseated? What could be going on? Well, this could be a sign that you actually may need some ginger in your diet. Ginger is a fantastic anti-inflammatory component when it comes to helping out with inflammation inside your gut. Ginger's been used for eons, for centuries, however long you think, and it's very effective to calm things down in your stomach, get you feeling better, and this actually may be what you need as a supplement to help out. Have ginger tea, have ginger root, add ginger to your coffee. It's what I do. I would recommend that instead of actually having a ginger supplement. This video is sponsored by Lubbock Gastroenterology. This is my GI clinic based in Lubbock, Texas. Our passion is to give our patients the best comprehensive care in this area. And we try to focus what we can to do things naturally, whether it's a functional medicine approach, a natural approach, or ways that we can tailor medicine to make you feel better. So if you want to see us at Lubbock Gastroenterology for all your GI needs, call this number or contact us through our website. We can schedule you today to get your GI tract back on track. Coming in at number 5, unexplained weight changes. And we all have weight changes that can fluctuate all throughout the day. And if you're one of those in which your weight goes up and down, you don't know what's going on, actually adding chia seeds may be the secret ingredient that you need. Chia seeds can help manage and stabilize your weight. It provides fiber, nutrients, and minerals to keep things stabilized and provide the foundation that you need to help out when it comes to weight fluctuations. Next is poor sleep quality. Sleep is so important for health, for your gut health, and for everyday life. There's a lot of us, including yours truly, that suffer from poor sleep quality. And it might mean that you're missing an essential supplement that can help out with sleep. You'd be surprised to hear this, but tart cherries actually is a fantastic supplement when it comes to helping out with sleep. Whether it's consuming tart cherry juice, so be careful of the extra sugar that may be in there, or just having fresh tart cherries in the evening, it actually can help out to maintain that sleep, to get you sleeping like a baby. Oh, there's nothing better. Next are joint pains. Joint pains are a sign of inflammation, whether it's from arthritis or in autoimmune diseases. And a lot of us can suffer from joint pains, which can be debilitating in nature. There is a superfood that actually can help out when it comes to joint pain, and that is actually called turmeric. Turmeric is a fantastic way to decrease inflammation overall in your body, and we've seen evidence that using turmeric can actually help out when it comes to joint issues as well. I recommend adding either turmeric or curcumin to your food as a spice to your coffee. That tends to give the best natural way to hopefully help out when it comes to absorption of this supplement to help out when it comes to joint issues. Next will be constant cravings. Do you crave snacks all the time? I must have that sugar, I must have that carb. Do you suffer from these constant cravings? You're not alone, and it might be a sign that your body is yearning for a secret nutrient. Do you know how to fix those cravings? Dark chocolate. Yes, I am a huge fan of incorporating dark chocolate. It works, has anti-inflammatory effects, has antioxidant effects. It can helpfully manage those cravings that you're having as well. I would recommend having dark chocolate with higher cocoa content because that tends to have more of an anti-inflammatory effect on your gut. Coming at number 9 are mood swings. Now, there are a lot of reasons for mood swings, whether it's lack of sleep, maybe you're just in a moody mood, I don't know. But if it's more than just emotions, are you constantly having these mood swings, it could be a sign of a nutritional deficiency. So one food that's been shown to help out when it comes to mood swings are fatty fish. So foods like salmon, mackerel, they have omega-3 fatty acids that have been seen in studies to help stabilize your mood, to get you feeling better, and also to give you the nutrition and the healthy fats that you need to help out when it comes to your digestion. So I would recommend adding that food into your diet, or actually may want to even consider adding a fish oil supplement to help out when it comes to your fish oil content. Then lastly, do you suffer from pale skin or complexion issues? Once again, this could be a sign that something's going on or that your body needs help or supplementation. If this is you, blueberries are a very effective way to help out when it comes to those issues. Add blueberries, they're nature's super berry to help out when it comes to heart issues, skin issues, bowel issues, colon issues, every single issue that's out there. They're packed full of antioxidants. They're sweet, they're good, and they can help out when it comes to complexion as well. So here's my call to action to you. If any of these signs resonate with you, don't worry, because I give you the solution that I recommend when it comes to helping out with these issues. If you have these signs or symptoms, try these foods. Let's see if it helps out and gets you feeling better. So here's my question of the day for you. Do you have a superfood that you recommend to help out when it comes to your issues? Comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and newsletter where you can get great tips and tricks like you're learning in today's video. And thank you for watching. Don't forget, let's talk about poop. Thanks, everyone.